Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash. I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, Canada, and UK. And I also share my analysis, or rather I would say daily analysis on the important Forex currency pairs. Please do not mind because I'm not having a professional background or setup. I'm just doing this video from the comfort of my home. I do not even edit my videos. I do not get time. I even do not replay my videos after recording. I just simply record it away. Anyways, this analysis is for 25th Feb 2021, Thursday only. Okay, so let me take you to the stocks that you need to keep your eyes. Okay, and if you're watching my videos for the last couple of days, then probably you are making good amount of money. You can see how powerful technical analysis is. Okay. So first stock that I have today is Enbridge. Okay, this is the daily chart of Enbridge. Let me take you to one day chart. On the one day chart, we can see that Enbridge has formed a spinning top kind of a pattern. Okay, so spinning top generally signifies that the market is in indecision. Market is not in a confident state to go up or down. It's in indecision. Okay, and but it is standing just above the resistance, daily resistance. So what do we need to do? So so the last traded price of Enbridge is 44.74. We need to keep our eyes on Enbridge, and we will only go for buy order once it crosses 45, and we will only short Enbridge once it crosses 44.4. Okay, 45, go for buy just only above 45 and go for sell only below 44.4. Okay, in between 44.4 to 45, that will be your no trading zone for the day. Only buy above 45, that will be a safe zone. So the next stock is CNR. CNR's LTP is 138.38. Okay, and we can see that CNR has bounced from the daily support of 135.77. Okay, so that's a good sign for us. So what do we need to do? Okay, for CNR, this will be our level for the day. We will only go for buy today in CNR once it crosses above 139.10. Okay, if CNR opens below 139 level today, just wait and watch how does it react once it hits the 139.10 level. If it crosses the 139.10 level, let it sustain above the level for 15-20 minutes. Let the resistance become the support. Once the stocks starts trading comfortably above the resistance, I'm talking about the green line. Okay. Once it comfortably trades above the resistance, then you can go ahead and buy. There's no sell call for CNR, okay, because the stock is in uptrend. So the next stock for the day is Air Canada. For Air Canada, also I have got a buy call only. Last traded price of AC is 26.34. We will only go for buy once it crosses 26.50. 26.50 is the crucial level for Air Canada today. Okay. If it crosses 26.50, okay, just see whether the breakout is being supported by volume or not. If there is volume, then good enough. Okay, then you can go ahead and buy. Let this resistance become the support. Let it sustain above the resistance for 15-20 minutes. Once it starts comfortably trading above 26.5 level, you can go ahead and place the buy button. Okay. So this level is very important for the day, 26.5 for Air Canada. And the next stock is CNQ, CDN Natural. For CDN Nature, I'll be switching to the 1 day time frame. Okay. On 1 day time frame, you can see that it has made a doji. Okay. It has made a doji kind of a pattern. So again, doji signifies that market is in an indecision state. Market doesn't know whether it will go up or it will go down. So how to trade? Okay, for CDN, important levels will be these two. The LTP or the last traded price of CDN is 36.50 and important levels for the day are 37.81 and 35.61. If the stock trades between 35.6 to 37.8, that will be your no trading zone. Just keep your eyes on it, no trade. Okay. If it crosses 37.80 or if it gives a breakout, okay, by crossing 37.8 level, then you can go ahead and buy once the resistance becomes a support. Okay, it should be get the support of volume, and if it comes towards the downside and if it crosses the 35.6 level and if it is being supported by volume, okay, then you can short it for a target of 34.4, 34.5 safe. No trading zone between 37.8 to 35.6. And the next stock is CM, Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce. We can see that it beautiful uptrend. Okay, and yet yesterday it has made a beautiful green candle, and it has closed at 117.84. Okay, as it has made a beautiful candle and it has broken this resistance, daily resistance. Okay, so we'll only go for buy order here only above this level. We show you in 15 minutes chart. Okay, no sell call for Canadian Imperial Bank. Okay, only buy above 118.10. Okay, before that, okay, below that you should not trade. Okay, if it crosses 118 level comfortably, okay, and starts trading, then you can go ahead and place the buy order for CM. Okay, this is the last stock for the day. The simple strategy for wheat and precious metals is that you need to keep your eyes on the 50.50 level. Okay, right now, or the last traded price was 49.84. Okay, if today opens between 49.8 and 50.5, this in between this range, you just need to keep your eyes. If it goes up and hits this level, you should not sell. Okay, you should not, though it will show you some reversal sign, you should not sell, because you can see that though this particular zone is the resistance zone, but it is making higher lows. Okay, it is not breaking the previous lows, it is making higher lows. That means that buyers are still present who are willing and who are still trying their best to take the price upward. Okay, so just wait and watch. Okay, just let the market cross 50.52 level. Once it crosses the 50.52 level, wait for a few minutes, let it sustain above the resistance level. Once you get the confirmation that it is trading comfortably, go ahead and hit the buy button. Okay, so these are the stocks for the day that you need to keep your eyes, and hopefully you have understood the video. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for daily market analysis. I always bring the market analysis just before the market opens so that you can stay ahead of the market. Okay. And if you want to know more about me, you can visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much.